Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lasagna Recipes. Today I am going to show you how to make lasagna. Homemade lasagna is better than any other restaurant version. So let's see how to make this. For making meat sauce, heat a pan over a medium flame and add near to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into this. Then add 1 medium piece of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Add 6 cloves of chopped garlic into this. Saute it well. Then add 1 chopped white onion into this. Saute it well again. Then add half tablespoon of salt into this. Mix it nicely. Next I am going to add 1 kg minced beef into this. Mix everything well together. Then cover it and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes later, open the lid. Then add some red wine into this. Saute it well. Next I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a pinch of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon thyme, some chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well together. Then add 500 gram diced tomatoes and 4 tablespoons of tomato puree into this. Mix all the ingredients well together. The salt is not enough, so I am going to add half teaspoon more salt into this. For getting more flavor and spiciness, I am adding half teaspoon of black pepper powder and some Italian herbs. For balancing the taste, I am adding half teaspoon of sugar. Then add some chicken broth. Mix everything well. Meat sauce is ready now. Cover it and keep it aside. For cooking the lasagna sheet, heat water in a vessel and add 1 teaspoon of salt. When the water starts boil, add the lasagna sheet into this. Then add 1 teaspoon olive oil into this. Cover it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. For making the white sauce, add a piece of butter into a pan. Then add 50 gram of all-purpose flour into the melted butter. Mix it well. Next I am going to add near to 1 glass of milk into this. Mix it nicely. Then add 150 gram of cheese into this. Mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 250 gram of cream cheese into this. Then in a low flame, mix it nicely. For layering, first spread the meat sauce into the bottom of the baking tray. Then place the lasagna sheets over the sauce. Then spread again the meat sauce. spread the white cheese sauce over it. Sprinkle some parsley. Then place the lasagna sheets over it. Again spread some meat sauce. Then sprinkle some parsley. And spread some mozzarella cheese all over the sauce. Next, I am going to transfer the tray into the preheated oven. Bake it for 45 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Now the lasagna is ready. Let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.